Hey guys, this is my Botched Barbie look. Please stay tuned to see how I achieve this look only using about 15 bucks. Hey, let's get it. Hey guys, it's Gigi the Gem, and I'm back with another video, this time on my Botched Barbie Halloween makeup tutorial. Yes, I have a shirt on, and let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is face paint. You're going to need some liquid latex, along with some fake blood. I got all of that from Party City for about $14. Also, I'm going to be using some paper towel that I just ripped. I'm going to fold that up on my nose, along with 3 gauze that I used. And I used 2 bandaids as well. So you can get all that stuff for like under 20 bucks. So that's it. Let's get right into it. I'm going to start off with my face already made. I have my eyelashes on, eyebrows and everything. I'm going to use an old brush and use this liquid latex. Yes, I'm going to smell it. I'm one of those people. And it does stink. God, please do not let my skin break out. So I'm going to use this old brush and just start going along the perimeter of my face from ear to ear, going around in a circle. Throw that in a circle. Hey, you better paint that. You better throw that O in a circle. Hey, you better paint that. So we're just going to fast forward right through this part because it is self-explanatory. Yes, it does stink. And please forgive me for looking that way. But let's do this, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so proud of myself for how this turned out. I think it's really easy. And even if you're not that great with your makeup, I feel like this can really be a cute and expensive Halloween look. Like, you can serve it up on a platter. Daughter, serve it up on a platter. And it doesn't matter if it gets in your eyebrows, honey. The core of the face is already beat, so it's cool. And, oh, also one thing I did forget to mention is that you're going to use some toilet tissue as well with this. So, when y'all see me pull out the toilet tissue, don't think nothing of it. Because that's how you get that skin-like effect. So, I'm taking this tissue, and I'm just going to play. Now, disclaimer, guys. Don't use as much tissue as I did. Apparently, I was ready to wipe enough butt to save everybody in Africa, okay? But, you know, throughout the video, I did get it down pat. Yes, this is my first time, so make sure that you guys take your time and use smaller amounts of toilet tissue when applying them to the liquid latex that's on your face. It's going to come out cute regardless, but I just want to save you guys some time. So I'm just going to continue to stick the tissue to my face using the latex as adhesive. And it's very easy. Excuse me, guys. My nose ring always pokes out. Comment below if that happens to you, too. Like, I'm just really looking at, like, look at me, guys. Santa girl. Santa girl in the house. I said Santa girl in this bitch. Santa girl with your spouse. I said, ow, Santa girl. I'm so crazy. If it sounds like it's loud in my background, it's because it is. I have the air conditioning on. So now that we have a fully applied tissue throughout our face, we're going to put on some foundation. I'm using my NARS Matte Velvet because it is a little brighter. That was my wintertime or maybe springtime makeup. And I'm just going to use it all over my chin to cover up all this toilet tissue that I put on my damn face. Okay, at first you're gonna see me like trying to apply it everywhere, and I still have some white areas, but that's okay because when you put on the makeup and the blood, child, you can't even see that. Okay, that covers right on up. Okay, guys, so I was done putting that foundation on. I'm going to go in with this face paint in the bright red color to try to define it and give it some texture. And then throughout this segment, I start to use the browns and that burgundy color on the tissue just to conceal all the areas that I didn't quite get with the foundation brush and to give it some more dimension. Now I'm just going to define my chin more with some of the black and to try to give it some more definition in between. Along with that, I will be taking an eyebrow razor to try to cut it and make it more jagged. So, opposed to using scissors, I feel like scissors would definitely maybe cut too much of it off. So I'm going to use my cute little pink razor, everything pink. And I'm just going to cut in between. It may look difficult, but that's okay because I had alternatives to that too. So I'm taking some black face paint and I'm going in between the tissue and making it more like a groove for me to put the blood in. It's coming together, y'all. It's really coming together. And also I'm going to use it to cover up some of the white spots from the tissue that I didn't get using my foundation. Like I told you earlier, I'm putting you on. So now that that's done, I'm taking some green just because I wasn't looking, fresh out of surgery enough, There's no way I'm coming out my skin tone with a nose job, okay? A facelift, a nose job, and a brush job. Honey, stop. Okay, so now I'm going to roll up my paper towel and fold it on my nose and get it ready. Because I have such a fat nose, I'm going to have to put some of this latex on there just to make sure that it sticks. Yeah, and that's what we going to do. Okay? Also, guys, when doing this, I really think you should get a large Band-Aid. I don't know why I can't find my large Band-Aids, but this was really, more tedious than applying the tissue. OMG, nose. Also, I wanted to say, guys, be careful if you guys have a latex allergy. In the past, I did have a latex allergy, but I didn't have any issues. So now that we got the nose complete, I did go over with some more face paint just to give it some more definition. And now I'm going to use a lip liner pencil in the color brown from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use a soft brown and I'm going to use a dark brown pencil just to make my lips stand out as much as possible. So now I'm going to use this pale pink gloss just to lighten my lips up and make them look a little fuller. And I'm going to take my brown pencil and go back in to define them some more and put some lines in them just to make them look a little more fuller, to give them some more dimension. And then you know. And you brown pencil, you look at yourself like, hey girl, you doing it right? Yes, I'm going to take this dollar store pink pastel lip that I've always had, and then you put the lip gloss, boom boom, boom boom. What you know about me? What you know about me? Ow, I love me a good lip, guys. Okay, so that's the lip. And now I'm going to use this eyeliner that I've had forever and a day, and I'm going to start to draw some lines on my face as if I were receiving a surgical procedure. Hey. Now that the arrows are done, I am going to remove, I'm going to remove my scarf. You know, deets on this hair will be below. If you guys want to know, yes, I did make the wig myself, and no, I didn't style it because I knew I was covering up with the ace bandage. So we're going to take the ace bandage and wrap it around our head. And we're going to cover up some of that rattlesnake skin that we've created. Oh, my God. Okay, so now that that's covered up, ooh, she's cute, guys. She's a cutie. Yeah, so now that that's covered up, I'm going to take another ace bandage, and I have on a tube top, and I'm going to try to just cover the top of it for photo and video purposes only. I'm going to catfish you, but of course I dropped it during the process. My boobs are already huge, so it's not like I needed to pretend to get a breast job because they're already like triple Z's, okay? So I'm wrapping it around myself right now because I want to, you know, I need some cohesiveness like I said to you guys earlier. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I'm going in with that same face paint, the red and the brown together, because I want my breast to look like I had a boob job as well. You know, why not? Go full throttle. Once that's blended in, I'm going to take that same eyeliner that I used, and I'm going to make some arrows going up. This was really difficult to do, guys. Like, I just felt like I was like a little kid, like in art class or something. It was fun, though. So now that we've completed that, let's get into the blood, guys. This is where it all becomes cohesive. Out my nose, on the side. It's okay if it gets on the gauze, guys. We're just going to put it everywhere because we want it to look as disgustingly beautiful as possible. Okay, so we're going to put the blood on my chest as well so that it looks like we had a procedure there as well. I'm just going to smudge it out, blend it in. It kind of did take away from my eyeliner, but it's okay. I'm going to have it running up my neck, my nose, and everything. I'm going full throttle, honey. I'm fresh out of surgery, but I'm beat to the, not to the gods, but I'm beat for the block type time. So I did take the third gauze and wrap it around my breast to help make them lift up. And I'm just going to take that same foundation brush and blend in the blood. And you know what, guys? We did that. That's the look right there. Botched Barbie doll. Quick. Well, not really quick. I mean, it took about an hour, but I can say I did a great job with this look. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys like this look, comment below or please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hey.